Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Yarn. Let's crochet this cute vinyl record keychain. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 6 single crochet into our magic ring like this. After 6 single crochet, just tie the yarn and close our magic ring. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Row 2, chain 1, make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase. We should in this row make 2 single crochet into the each stitch or increase. And in the end of this row, insert your hook into the first single crochet and pull the yarn around your fingers. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and tie the yarn. It's called slip knot. And add your slip knot, chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch or increase like this. Follow this pattern for this row. Again, next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and in the end of each row we should make slip stitch. Again, row 4, start with a chain and 1 single crochet in same stitch, next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row, and in the end of row, slip stitch. Row 5, chain 1, make a single crochet into this stitch, next stitch 1 single crochet, and next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch increase or 2 single crochet into the same stitch. After row 5, just chain 1 and tie the yarn, cut it and tie it, and use your needle and sew your tail like this. Turn your work and sew it, and after that just fasten off and cut the yarn. I hope you enjoyed this video and this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.